Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a Mozilla Firefox web browser error with the HTTP strict transport security error message. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Firefox web browser. And up in the address bar, go ahead and type in about:config CONFIG, and then hit enter. You want to select accept the risk and continue. And you want to go type in enterprise, where it says security.enterprise_roots.enabled. Go ahead and turn this to true if it's set to false. So select the little icon over here on the right side to toggle it to the other setting. So set that to true. And then once you are done with that, you want to go ahead and just close out of here and then relaunch Firefox and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.